Good morning, students. Welcome to day 16 class. All of you completed your previous homework. What I given homework? Only simple problems is I given, and I solved that also because we started time lesson and we already discussed 1 year have how many months, 1 month have how many days, 1 week have how many days, 1 month have how many weeks, 1 year have how many weeks. We all discussed that. Understand? But I asked some questions. Who know answer, how to tell. Okay. Then tell me what is leap year? What is leap year? We discussed clearly leap year is what is the meaning by leap year and leap year how it is comes. Leap year ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ we discussed. I explained clearly. Understood? Remember that? Then tell me. Yes, someone is telling there. Yes, your answer should be right. Which year February month have 29 days? Which year February month have 29 days? That year we call leap year. Because that leap year comes means that year have how many days? That complete year had 366 days. How many days? 366 days. Then what is the number of days in a month? Total number of days in a month. How many? Yes. Some months have 30 days, some months have 31, some months have 28 and 29. Then we are telling 28, 29, 30, 31. These are the depends upon that month. And I show this is your hand. This time you have to make it. Then you have to calculate here. I told this is upper side. It is January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Then August, September, October, November, December. How? The downside comes that month should be have 30 days and upside comes that month have 31 days. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನ್ನಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಂತ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವು 31 ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೌನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ that is we should call 30 days. But in your book some diagrams is there. You have to look at that diagram, then you have to confirm it. Then you ask your parent how it is. Then that parent should be explained. Understand? Okay. Now tell me the total number of days in a week. 1 week has how many days? Yes, it is 7 days. 1 week have how many days? 7 days. Tell me the name of days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are we should call name of the month. Then name of the days. Then tell me the name of the month. How many months are there in 1 year? 12 months. These are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are we should call name of the month. Then how to calculate? How to calculate? This is leap year. This is not leap year. First of all, you should write here leap Okay, this is 2016. It is leap year or not? You have to check. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಇಸ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ಒಂದು ಇಯರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, 2016 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋರು ಇದು ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. Then how to tell? Yes, one formula is there. When the given year, you should divide last two digit, you have to divide with 4, because leap year comes 4 year one time. ನಾಲ್ಕು ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇಸ್ವಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 digit that should be ones and tens place. Last 2 digit you have to use, then you have to divide with 4. Divide with 4. Then Forza table have 16 or not, you have to check, because already all of you studied division problems. Yes or no? Yes. Then tell me the Forza table, then you have to search Forza table have 16 or not. 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, 4 4 are 16. Sir, 16 is there. Then 4 4 are 16. Okay. Then remainder is 0. One thing you have to clear, when we are dividing the year, when the given year we dividing, that remainder should be 0. That year is called leap year. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಇಯರ್ ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 digit ಅನ್ನ completely we divide means our answer should be 0. Then that year is called leap year. Understand? Okay, another one example. 1996 is there. Okay, 1996, 1996, this is the year. This is leap year or not? You have to check it. Then what I told, completely last 2 digit number you have to take, then you have to divide with 4. Then it is 96 divided by 4. Forza table have 9 or not, check, because 9 is bigger than 4. That's why you take only single number. Forza table have 9 or not? Sir, 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 4 3 are 12, sir. 9 is not, sir. 8 is there, sir. 4 2 are 8. Then 9 minus 8, 1. Then come to 6 downside. It is how much? 16. Then you have to check it. Forza table have 16 or not? Yes, Forza table have 4 4 16. 0 0. Understood? This is we should call leap year. Yes, this is leap year, and this is leap year. Okay, then again another one question, third one. 1998, this is leap year or not? This year is leap year or not? You have to check it. Then same method you have to do. Last 2 digit you have to take. 98 divided by 4. Forza table have 9 or not? Yes, it's not have 9. It's have 8. 4 2 are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. You take 8. Forza table have 2 or not? 18 or not? 4 1 are 4, 4 4 are 16. 4 5 are 20. 18 is not there. Then smaller number is 16 is there. 4 4 are 16. 8 minus 6, it is 2 0. But remainder is 2, not there 0. This is not ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್. What we understood when we are finding that is leap year or not. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಳಿದಿತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ, ಒಂದು ಇಸ್ವಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್. ನಮಗ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅದು ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 4. Then answer is remainder should be 0 means that is leap year. Remainder is above than 0, that is not a leap year. Okay, you take that headline leap year, then you have to write here examples. Okay, write down fast. You have to write the point if the last 2 digits of a given year gets divided completely by 4, it is a leap year. Remember that. And examples, already we discussed so many examples. Last one example, it is fourth one, 1904. This is leap year or not? This is leap year or not? Check. This is leap year or not? You have to check it. But what is the, already we discussed in the given year, last 2 digits should be completely divisible by 4. That year is we call leap year. Understood? First you have to check here 1904. You have to take only 4. Last 2 digit means 0, 4, 0, 4. Only have to, the value should be 0, 4 only, because not it is a 40. Understand? Then 4 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4, 0. Then this year should be leap year. Understand? Write down. This one you should write. Then this one also you should write. Write down fast. Yes. Remember students, what I now going to discuss. Remember is there na? This is very important. This one all of you write in your Facebook also. 1 week has how many days? 7 days. 1 month have 30 or 31 days. But February month have 29 or 28 days. Remember that. 12 months is equal to 1 year, because 1 year have how many month? 12 month. If February 1 year have how many weeks? But I discussed yesterday class, 1 year have 52 weeks. Remember that. In February there are 28 days. In leap year February has 29 days. Already we discussed. February month comes 29 days. That year we should consider this is leap year. But there comes in 28 days, that is not a leap year. Okay, 2020, which it is leap year or not? Yes, 100% it is leap year. Okay, now we are going to discuss about exercise 14.4. 14.1. What is the question? First one, if 365 days are there in a year which is not a leap year, how many days are there in a leap year? Remember that I am going to discuss here only. If 365 days, that is not a leap year. Yes, it is right. But leap year have how many days? Leap year have 366 days. Already we discussed. Yes or no? 366 days. Okay. Then second one, you have to write this one in your fair book. Then examine whether the following years are leap year or not. Okay. But I discussed examples also. 1908. 1908, this is leap year or not? Yes. Last two digit you have to take, it is 08, only you have to consider 8 only. Then Forza table have 8. Yes sir, Forza table have 8. That's why this is leap year. Yes, you have to write here. Yes. Then 2003 is there, but 2003 you have to take last two digit, means it is 03 comes. 03 means we have to consider only 3, but Forza table have 3. Sir, not sir, this is leap year. No, it is no. Answer you should write no. And 1972 you have to consider only last two digits, 72. Okay, you have to check and write. And this one you have to consider only 90. And you have to write here 13 is not, I wrote here no, only remaining 1 and 2 you have to solve own. Okay, then you have to write here how many leap years are there from 2013 to 2025. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, how many leap years are there? Third one question, how many leap years are there from 2013 to 2025? Yes, they are asking how many leap years are there in from 2013 to 2025. First of all, you should write here 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. But all years I wrote here. Understood? In this year, which is leap year and which is not leap year? You have to check. Checking is very important. But you have to consider here only two digits. Last two digits only you have to consider. But that last two digits should be in Forza table. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. That last two digits should be in Forza table. That year we should call leap year. Understand? But 13 have Forza table? Not. Then this is not leap year. 14 have Forza table? Not. This is also not leap year. 15 have 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16. Not 15. This is not. Yes, 16 is there. This is leap year. 1. 17 has no. 18 no. 19 no. 20 yes. 4 5 20. It is leap year. 21 no. 22 no. 23 no. 4 6 22. This is leap year. And 25 no. How many leap years are there in 2013 to 2025? There are only are 2016, 2020, 2024. These are leap years only. Okay, write down this answer only there. Okay, write down that. Then we are going to discuss next one. Fourth one, how many days are there in 2014? Okay, but look at there, I wrote there 2014 is there. 2014 is leap year or not? Yes, it is not a leap year. This is not leap year means how many days are there? 365. How many? There are 365 days. How many? 365 days. One time that is leap year means how many days are there? Yes, 366 days are coming there. Okay. Then how many years once in can the birthday be celebrated for those who are born on the February 29th date in the leap year? Okay, it is very important question. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 29 ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ a 4 year one time, but we are doing there in February 28th only. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದೇ. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವಾಗ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 28ಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ problems.